mate. Bird watching, Ian. Seen anything good? I was going to say, you seen anything good?
Yeah, not for quite a while. I've come quite a long way.
What is that way?
Well, eventually you get to Home Lacey Bridge.
Home Lacey?
Yeah.
Of course it is, yeah.
Yeah. So.
And is that a hole in the wall? No, hang on, that's not that way.
No, the bunch of carrots.
Yeah.
Further up.
Yeah.
Again. But, yeah. But it's difficult to do a circuit on this one.
Yeah.
You can go across the fields. But...
You local?
Yeah, I live in Hereford.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. We just went through the tunnel. Birmingham up there, I don't know if you've been through there.
I never have, no.
It goes through that. Oh, it's open.
Is that what it is?
It's really good, yeah.
Okay.
You might get wet, but
Right,
feet,
yeah,
but,
I'm sure. Okay.
but yeah, it is really good. Is that a fisherman down there?
The guy I was talking like you.
That's the bloke, I think you were just talking to him.
Oh.
Oh, he's binocular us back.
He's a bird watcher.
Oh, he's a bird watcher.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Yeah, we're just filming the river and the railway bridge, railway
yeah.
tunnel and all that stuff. Yeah.
Good stuff.
Before we come this way, we did
Railway tunnels.
Yeah.
As a project.
and bridges and stuff,
Okay, so
anything
good.
really.
Yeah.
If we follow the Y and the railway, or old stuff, whatever really.
Yeah, there's lots of it around, isn't
Yeah, it's amazing to be honest
there? They're
with you.
opening that big tunnel down in South Wales, aren't they? It's,
Which one?
God, where is it? No, it's not Tredegar. It's further west than that.
That will be the on the Merthyr line, won't it? Railway, Monmouth to Newport, maybe? No,
I think
further.
I think it's further west
Further,
than that.
yeah.
It's Rhondda Cynon so that sort of area.
What are they going to do? Make it a cycle route or something?
I think so, yeah. They're certainly opening it up as even just a walkway.
Yeah. They did that in Tintern, didn't they?
Did they?
There's one there, I think it's 1.2 kilometres long.
Oh, really?
And they put downlighters in. You're not allowed to take torches, but it's a cycle route. Amazing. Yeah, there's one next to, you come out of the one, it goes into the other, but the other one's just closed.
Oh, well.
Is that your red Scirocco? Parked on the road?
No, probably is.
Oh, all right. Anyway, have a nice day, mate.